ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰਪਤੀ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਮਾਰ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਚੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਬੋਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀਆਂ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ।
ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਆਖਰ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰਪਤੀ ਦਾ ਤਾਜ ਪਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਤੇ ਸਭ ਦੀਆਂ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਟਿਕੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ। ਜਿਸ ਚਲਦਿਆਂ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਮੂਲ ਦੇ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ 3 ਨਵੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰਪਤੀ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਸਿਆਸੀ ਆਗੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਿਮਾਇਤ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਖਾਸ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੱਡੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਮੂਲ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ,
ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਰਾਗਨੀ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਵਾਸਤਵ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਿਲ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਾਲੀ ਮਦਦ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
ਗੌਰਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਰਾਗਨੀ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਵਾਸਤਵਾ ਬਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੀਵੀ ਨਾਰਥ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਬਿਊਰੋ ਹੈਡ ਮਨੀਸ਼ ਬਿਆਲਾ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਕੱਠ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਬੋਧਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ।
First of all, we thank you from the behalf of Honest Restaurant, who are organizing a fundraising fund for Shrivastava Ragini ji. Today we are gathered over here to support her. This is because she is representing our Indian community too. So it is our duty to support as much as we can. So Ragini ji has a very good background for the political career. So I think everyone should support her, especially our Indian community. And we thank you Prince ji and Ashwini ji who are organizing this event, and Jyoti ji are always, Pinky ji, they always supporting Ragini ji. So we especially came from Long Island to support her. So I thank you everyone who joined over here in this event to support her. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for coming and supporting Ragini ji here. Thank you Pinky ji, Palla ji, Jyoti ji, Ashwini ji, TJ, Bansal ji, Abhinav, Sharanjit ji, Kumar ji. Thank you. We need all your support to get this, to win her, and whatever you can guys do it, just support her from your heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you. First of all, my heartiest gratitude to everyone, to the gathering here, and especially Prince ji, Amit ji, Bansal ji, TJ, Ashwini ji. I'm so happy that all of you came together. This togetherness is the key. And one more thing, why this gathering here at a very special place which is very close to my heart, Honest Restaurant. And I told Prince ji when we met for the first time that my son, he loves your food of here. So not just because we love the food, but the service and the culture that you are providing to other people. The service, I have seen them during COVID. I was talking to your sister, and they said that during the COVID they were not thinking of the business. They were focusing on the need of the people, what they want, what they need. I mean, so congratulations and thank you for coming forward always to support the community. That is what we learn when somebody takes initiative. We all should appreciate and we should learn what more we can do. So you all know running for New York State Assembly, and I do need everybody's support. Today we are not here just to discuss the policies and the bills and reforms that I'm talking about everywhere. This is about the togetherness and the concerns of the people here. So I want all of you to reach out to me so that we all can come together and we can become one voice. Like I said earlier when I was in one of the gatherings, I said we all come here to build a life for ourselves to be proud of, right? We all work hard, we get the opportunities, we are hardworking people, and now is the time to give back to the community and to the country that has given us so much. My focus will always be on the small businesses or businesses, because I myself own a business and I know how hard I have seen businesses, they after COVID or during COVID it was hard for them to survive. And so I will always be a advocate for businesses, more funding, more support to them. And there's a COVID-19 relief money. I will fight for that so that it is given to all the businesses right away.